Welcome to our channel. If you want to discover valuable tax credits you might be missing, follow these step-by-step instructions to find and claim credits that reduce your tax bill dollar for dollar. Step 1. Check if you qualify for the Earned Income Tax Credit, worth up to $7,430 for families. This often overlooked credit helps low to moderate income workers. Step 2. Explore education credits, including the American Opportunity Credit worth up to $2,500 per student, and the Lifetime Learning Credit worth up to $2,000. Step 3. Investigate the Savers Credit if you contributed to a retirement account. You can receive up to $1,000 for IRA or 401k contributions if your income qualifies. Step 4. Consider the Child and Dependent Care Credit if you paid for childcare or care for a disabled dependent while you worked. This credit covers a percentage of qualifying expenses. Step 5. Look into energy efficiency credits for home improvements like solar panels, energy-efficient windows, heat pumps, or insulation, which can be worth thousands. Step 6. Research adoption credits if you adopted a child, which can cover substantial qualified adoption expenses. Step 7. Investigate industry-specific credits like the Work Opportunity Tax Credit for employers or Research and Development credits for businesses. Step 8. Use tax software that asks detailed questions to uncover credits, or work with a tax professional who can identify opportunities specific to your situation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.